What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we managed to find this Lamborghini Huracan Coupe in gold by Pink Slip. This is my first Pink Slip car I've ever bought. And this is actually, I'm opening it. Usually when I buy a new brand, I generally don't open them. It's for either a collection or something like that. But I'm not too sure who owns this brand. So, okay, so it is Jada, so that makes sense. But this is packaged quite similar to Majorette, so I thought maybe one owns the other or something like that. But anyway, on the way back from picking this up at Target, we saw a real Lamborghini Huracan, which was pretty cool. So let's get right into the unboxing, though. This thing looks great with that black 5-spoke rims, nice tires in gold, and the back opens, so you can see the inside. So let's get this open. I'm pretty excited for this. This is a new brand. I'm excited for new die-casts other than just Hot Wheels, even though Hot Wheels will definitely always remain my main source of collection. But yeah, I'm definitely excited for this brand. All right. So it looks like it comes with this little box. I guess you could store it in this. Put that down there. And then it comes in this plastic here to, I guess, protect the little windshield. Let's get that out of here. And yeah, there is the back. As you can see, get it focused. There is a little engine back there. It's a little bit hard to notice. It's not the best detail on the engine, but you could always color that. That closes up nicely. There's like just perfectly flat closed. I wonder how you get it back open now. I guess just something like this. I don't know. Anyway, the paint job looks great in that shiny gold. Made me think that this might have been a rarer piece, but it turns out it was just one in normal wave. And also these things, oh yeah, so this is owned by Majorette. It says Majorette on the bottom, but these things, they have suspension in them, which is really cool. The Lamborghini sign is a clean print, something that you don't see Hot Wheels doing too much of these days, is printing it too well. But when you're mass producing stuff like this, it gets messed up. But it rolls. Let's see, it rolls nicely. Nice rubber tires. These have like little treads on the outer part of the tires. It says made in Thailand. And yeah, it's a great model. Glad I unboxed this one. And this feels like a high quality car. This doesn't, this feels like, a mini GT or something like that. This Majorette is definitely a serious brand. Especially, Pink Slips, they're releasing really, really great cars. But this is, really nice diecast. I'm glad I picked it up. They do have some more really awesome cars back here, like the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, Bugatti Chiron Pro Sport, stuff like that. But I probably won't pick up anything else, especially because I already have the Majorette Chiron. If anything, I'd pick up the GT3 RS and maybe the Mercedes AMG. But other than that, probably nothing else. But yeah, it's cool to know that this brand is owned by Jada Toys. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me feedback on me using this camera instead of the GoPro, and I know it's probably higher quality because the GoPro is not meant for super close-up footage, and this is. But yeah, thanks for watching, keep collecting, and I will see you in the next one.